Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Zello work in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the context menu. From here, which is going to the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, and then on what is Zello work. We tap on this, and then we can tap on try Zello work for free, and the app is going to redirect us to the website, and here we can start our free trial for Zello work, which is like a better premium version of Zello. And here are the extra features that we have face to the basic one. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.